Let's turn over to the next page. I'm at page 110. Now they want us to find length of each square. Okay, let's take a quick look at our visual. Now we are here, the blue part. When we have a square with a given area, how do we find the unknown side? We can list down all these pairs of multiples and then we see which one we need. Then we write down the equation. So like this square, the area is 64 square meters, is this one over here. So we write down this equation. But if you can memorize this, you don't have to write down all one by one. You can zoom in straight into the correct equation and you write it down. Okay. Okay, so let's go back to our worksheet. Now, the area of this square is 49 square centimeters. So what times what gives us 49? And you must remember that these two numbers are the same number, same. Because this is a square, all four sides are the same. That means when we take the area, side times side, this side and this side are the same because all four sides are the same length, okay? So what number times itself will give us 49? If you can straight away memorize from this, you can zoom in to see that it is 7 times 7. If not, you can write out 1 times 1 equals 1, 2 times 2 equals 4, 3 times 3 equals 9, all the way until you reach 49. Okay, so I'm going to write down 7 times 7 equals 49. That means the length of this square is 7 cm. Okay. Now let's move on to question B. I'm here now. Question B. Now this is a square, so all four sides are the same length. Let's write out what times what will give us 81 when these two numbers are the same number. Okay, can you think? Is it 1 times 1 equals 1? No. 2 times 2 equals to 4. So it's not. 3 times 3 equals to 9. It's not. 4 times 4 equals to 16. Also not. 5 times 5 equals to 25. 6 times 6 equals to 36. Then we have found out here 7 times 7 equals 49. 8 times 8 equals to 64. After 8 we have 9 times 9, which is equals to 81. So our answer is 9. 9 times 9 equals to 81. So the length, or you can say the side of this square equals to 9 cm. Okay, let's move on to question 3. Okay, this one we are finding the perimeter of the rectangle. Now we have this breadth here. We need, in order to find the perimeter, first we need to find the length. So what is this length? First, we need to divide the area by the given side. So for this one, we're going to take area divide by the given breadth. Then we will get the length. Okay, so we take 48 divide by 6 equals to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48 equals to 8. Okay, so this part here we've learned that is 8 cm. Now, how do I find the perimeter? Remember that perimeter equals to 2 times of the length plus the breadth. Okay, so first we're going to take length plus breadth. Length is 8. We're going to plus the breadth, which is 6, equals to 14. Now we're going to multiply that by 2. So we take 2 times 14. Okay, we need to can do working at the side. 14 times 2 equals to 28. Okay, so the perimeter of this rectangle is perimeter equals to 28 cm. Now let's move on to question 4. We're going to find perimeter of this square. This is a square where all 4 sides are the same. Okay, first we need to find the unknown side. If we don't know this side, we can't find the perimeter. So what times what will give us 100? Because this area is stated as 100 square centimeters. Okay, you can take a quick look at the visual. See here, 10 times 10 equals 100. So that's what we're looking for. Answer is 10. So this side down here, all these sides are actually 10 cm. Okay, all here 10 cm all around. Now, how do I find the perimeter? Remember, perimeter means to add up all the sides, right? For square, because all 4 sides are the same, we can actually just take 4 times side, or we can add side plus side plus side plus side, but that is 4 groups of the side. So we take 4 times side, which is equals to 4 times 10. 4 times 10 equals to 40. So perimeter of this square goes to 40 cm.